you can see this is busted. So I have a flathead screwdriver here. Whoops. And I have a Phillips screwdriver. And I have, from Ace, a universal faucet handle. This is the Ace universal handle, faucet handle. Mufasa. No, faucet handle. Anyway, oh, is there something in there? So, I did not see that. So, looks like we have tools. We have a little, oh, what's that damn thing called? This thing. Okay, it'll come to me. Anyway, inside the handle, there is a screw. I don't know why we have so many screws. There is this, which I'm not really sure what that's for. And then there's this. So, it might be a good idea to read the instructions. So I'm going to do that real quick, and I'll be right back. I have read the instructions with my Hubble telescope, and I think I know what I'm doing. But if I don't, we're going to find out pretty quick. Anyway, so the first thing we want to do is move the camera so you can see the old broken down handle. And we want to that was easy. It's going right in the garbage. Okay, here we have a Phillips screw, and the instructions do say to turn off the water, so at least I did one thing right. So we can. All right. Now, it says to keep this screw in case you need it. So I'm trying to figure out why we have this and all these other screws. But I think we'll find out in a minute, because I'm going to pull this off. Alright, now the directions say that this part is called the faucet stem, and you want to put the adapter, which is this piece, over that stem. Okay, and it says to screw it down. So that's not working. Says keep the screw for reuse, remove the old handle, place handle adapter, which is this, over exposed end of faucet stem, which is this. Alright, and tighten with the wrench provided. Okay. I see. Okay. So we're not going to screw it down. The way we're tightening it, let's see, is through here. These little, I think, because the wrench they're talking about is this. This piece has these two little stems sticking out, and they actually take this hex key, wrench, whatever you want to call it, in there. Now, I had to kind of put some elbow grease into unsticking it. Once I got them unstuck, they turn really easy. So, put it back on, and trying to figure out how this has to be. Alright, so this is flat here. This part is flat. You can't see it, but it's flat. And this is kind of rounded. So you gotta look in here, and you want the rounded spot to be matched up with the rounded here, and these sides will be matched with the flat part. So once you get that where it needs to go, next thing it says to do is to put the handle on. And not sure. Now, if you see here, there's space. So this isn't going to work. So that is where this piece comes in. It's an extender. So you want to put that in there, and these need to go in these little grooves. Now, it looks like there's two of them. So we're going to see if it comes apart easily. No. Whoops. Try not to break it. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it like so. And then maybe not. I would think that these would go here. But that stops it. If handle contacts the faucet base or wall, remove the handle and insert correct spacer onto adapter. Put that there. I'm not sure if we want to move this piece up. So let's loosen this just a bit. And tighten it like so. And if this is a mistake, we'll find out. So now this goes over and these fit into the tabs. So the next thing it says to do, this is where the long screw probably comes in. So inside here, if you can see, there are two tabs here, and those are going to fit right over that. So okay, it takes some finessing to get it in there. Okay, now I'm going to turn this straight up and down, and that's straight up and down, and then hopefully there we go. Now it's not going to look pretty. I can guarantee you that. So where's my screw? I'm going to try this screw, because I know that this little one that we took out is not going to work. So I'm going to try this. Alright, maybe we screwdriver on tighten. Alright. I hope I didn't strip it. I might have stripped it. But I'm going to leave it like that. And then before I put this on, I'm going to turn the water back on and see what happens. Turn on the water. And now we know that something is wrong because it should be off. What that tells me is that the raising that piece was the wrong thing to do. So I'll take all this out. There's the drain again. And then we're going to, okay, so I put the old handle back on and I pushed it all the way down. Now I'm going to check for the water. Right, no water there. No water there. Okay, so we know that we're in the off position. Okay, so unfortunately, okay, that is still in the off position. So now we need to attach this and tighten it. First of all, let me make sure that I got, okay, this is where the flat, and I don't want to move anything because I know right now that we're in the off position. So I don't want this stem to move anywhere. Okay, now I'm going to check the water again. We're still good. Still in the off position. So now we want to see if this will fit, which it won't. So we have to put this on here. Now, see if the screw will screw in. Okay, now we're going to try the water again. We're still off. Still off. And flip. Hot. Cold. In between. Now that we have it where we want it, and that's tight, I'm going to put this on so that it faces the top. Nice and pretty. And now we'll fully turn on the water. Alright. And now we have a working faucet. Awesome. 2 thumbs up. Thank you for watching.